Hey everybody, today I'm going to be making slime. I'm not going to be using a recipe because I just learned how to make slime, so let's see how this goes.
You don't put the glue in first?
I'm going to just open this up first because, ugh. People I was making slime with yesterday, they said, okay, that's fine. And this is an ingredient to help activate it so it's not sticky.
I thought you'd do the glue first. Empty out the whole bottle, right?
Yep. It's This is gonna take quite a while. Okay, here. I'm gonna speed it up. Gonna just take this off and then just like, because if I just squeezed it like that, that would have taken forever. Thomas! Okay, this is easier. Gross. This reminds me of somebody throwing up. Oh, Daddy. I mean, Mommy, can I have a spoon? Yeah. Don't mix it. Almost done. Oof. There. And I'm just using clear glue because I don't want my slime to be opaque, but you can also just use the regular white glue.
Colors.
Oh yeah, that's
just
good.
A little bit.
Yes, I learned because yesterday I did.
You're making one batch?
Yes.
With lots of.
Yes.
Okay.
Just making one batch. I'm making a blue, and then I'm going to divide it into 3. Okay. There. Now, we have our glue. Let's add our shaving cream. Oh! I hope this is open. So just like, okay, I'm only going to add a little bit, but I'm going to add a little bit more as we go on. Because you add all the glue first, and then you slowly add the other things. This is just oh, this smells so good. Wait, oh, it's set because that is scented. Oh, it's so good. The bowl just looks white, like this. It's just white. It's starting to form. It smells like berries. Ooh, here's a food dye. It's neon, but you can also just use the regular colors. Just add a little bit more. Try. It's starting to form. It's still extremely sticky. I don't think I added enough shaving cream. I'm making extremely fluffy slime. But I might need 2 more little bowls because I'm going to make 3 colors out of fluffy slime. Ugh, this is going to take a while. And this is regular contact solution. Well. This is just blue. I need a lot more shaving cream. Hopefully this doesn't fall. Oh my goodness, moving. Trying to put the spoon somewhere. Okay, there we go. Well, I try and add a little bit more shaving cream because this is just glue right now. Supposed to add a lot of shaving cream. Oh my god, I want to show you guys a puff. Giant puff. Whoa. You're supposed to add a lot because right now it's just glue. Oh, now it's starting to form. It smells like berries. Oh, this is going to be the best fluffy slime in the world. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. More contact solution. Got it. Oh my goodness. Spray down my arm. I want to try and like lift the bowl to show you guys what it's like. It's starting to form. It's like, ugh. It's still extremely sticky, but I'm gonna use my hands now. Because you can like use your hands to mold now at this point.
You need another container?
What? Milano cookies are supposed to be a glass bowl, Daddy. Do you not?
Another glass bowl?
Yes, can you help me open the contact solution? My hands are so sticky now. You have to add. Yeah, keep it open, please, because this is going to be a little bit messy. Making slime is fun, but extremely messy because, well, you can ask the contact solution bottle how messy it is. This is supposed to be how do you say it again? This is butter slime. And I have a bunch of slimes over there that I'm going to show you at the end of the video. And then, ooh! Whoa! Contact solution bottle is so messy, and I'm sure I have quite a bit of slime in my hair now. Oh my goodness, it's actually starting to form. Here. Thomas, do you want to say hi?
Hi.
He's playing video games. This is such a good slime. I love it. Except I need to use all the ingredients in the bowl, or else it doesn't make good slime. I need a lot more contact solution because I forgot how much glue I put in here, and it was 2 bottles, and that's quite a bit of slime. Ugh. That's quite a bit of stickiness. So now I close it again. Got it. I'm putting a lot of contact solution this time. It got into my face. This is starting. This is better. This is helping. That helps. It's forming. It's forming much. It's still sticking to me though. So, gonna stretch it out. Stretch. There's hair in my mouth. Okay. I actually don't need another glass bowl. I can just use this. Mostly because I just made this slime. I'm almost finished with it. This part. But I still have a lot more stuff I can do. So here. Just adding a little bit more contact solution. I'm working bit by bit because I still have a lot in my bowl. It's working! Slime! Oh, and I remember what I was going to say. Shaving cream is optional, and so is food dye. All you really need to make slime is glue and contact solution. Well, that's what And then the shaving cream is just what makes it fluffy. And that's what apparently makes it opaque. I wanted it to be clear, but nah. Oh well. Well, this is almost done, but put it in that pit. I'll work on it later. So much. Okay, I'm gonna work on this part. Getting the Oh, I just touched raw glue. This is so. Need a lot of contact solution for this one. It's so sticky. This is starting to unstick. Yes, finally. And I put it in here because this is my done box, and I have one giant thing of slime in there. By the way, guys, this smells like berries. It smells so good. Mostly because I'm using berry shaving cream. This is leftover from when I did slime when I was really, really young. I don't know when. It's like 4. Don't know. This is really good. Now we only need to do is add more contact solution. Almost done. Whew. Here we go. Look, it's finally done. Plop. We need to use all ingredients. I'm going to finish this off. Actually, I'm going to try. This is gross. Okay, tiny step back. Need to add a lot more contact solution to this because I did not work on that. Go. Go. There. Why did I close it? There. Hopefully this is enough. And then I'm gonna, there's still a lot of stuff in this bowl, so I'm gonna try and make the most of it. Starting. Look at how pretty it is. If you love slime, just like making slime and then having it done from make it just beautiful is a big deal. And I love slime. And I have a bunch of slime over there, which I don't know what I'm going to, well, here I don't know where I'm going to put it, but apparently I'm going to have to put it in some sort of, well, now we have it completely done. So let's plop. We still have a lot of stuff in here. We're going to go back to our spoon, scrape the whole bowl down to make the last bit of our slime. We want to make like slime on the spoon still. Okay. Just need to add some more contact solution to this part. Then basically, now it's ready for kneading. Oh my god, that is so sticky. Okay, well, this is extremely wet, mostly because I put a lot of shaving cream in here. But it's like, it's all shaving cream, but that sounds great. This is alright. The slime is alright, but I feel like it's gonna ruin. Well, I'm just gonna knead it until it feels a little bit better. Then, okay, I'm feeling better about this slime. Plop! Now we're done with this. Get away. Actually, I still might need this. So now, I just kind of need this table. I'm going to take all of my slime out that I made. Giant glob. Such a good slime. Now I'm going to separate it into 3 equal chunks, basically. Here's 1 chunk. Then, oof. Okay, all done. Now, let's open up. Okay. Gonna go with this color. Oh, I think there's a little bit too much over here. I think I'm gonna start with this one. So first you want to just knead it out. Just make sure it's all good. There's nothing you need to add to it. Then just make like a little hole in there. See, like a little hole. Open up your food dye. Add 1 drop. Here 1 drop goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way. And you can always add more, but I'd advise you to only add 1 at first, because as you can see, it's like, ooh, here. There's like blue in there. But this is blue. I think it might turn out to be an extremely light blue, but I may have to add a little bit more, but I just want to make sure at first it's all blended. But this is a really pretty color. Ta-da! This is, well, ooh, this is a pretty color. I love this slime. It's so pretty. I'm going to show you the white compared to this. I'm going to show you. Oh, no, okay, that's fine, because I'm making that one green anyways. Ooh, then I'm gonna make it like a pink.
Oh, it smells nice. Blue.
That's pretty, huh? It's very pretty. Gonna go with blue.
Where's the container?
1 drop of pink is enough. Or this may be red, I have no idea. It's not, what? I don't know. I'm just trying to make it, oh, that's definitely purple. But that's a pretty purple. See, it's a purple. It's pretty. I like it. I'm gonna cover it up so it doesn't spill. Just gonna try and let you see there's like a purple. But I'm gonna try and make it as even as possible. Well, if you play with it enough, it'll turn to it smells so good. It doesn't smell like regular slime, like a regular slime, but it smells so much better. There's this color. Okay, we're down to our last piece. Slime. Let's take, ooh. I'm gonna take, I have no idea what color this is, but I'm gonna do it. Ew, that's a lot. This is a red. Or it may be a pink. I have no idea. Definitely say this is one of my... I have no idea what color this is. I just went ahead and just did it. This is a red. Well, it's at least it's pretty. This is a really pretty color. Start kneading it more and more and more. And then after I'm done with this, I'm going to show you the blue and the purple slime, because after they sit for a while, they tend to brighten up a little bit. See, look, this is a pretty color. This is definitely a pink. So let's start off with my blue slime. This is one of my favorite slimes. Ugh. There. Just trying to get off all the excess slime from other ones. This is a perfect blue slime. I don't know what I'm gonna call this slime. And it's super duper pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna call this slime either, but it's a purple. I thought it was a pink. It's a very pretty purple. Ooh, it's like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of like metallic-y. It's really pretty. Okay, now it's the pink. I thought this was a red. Well, I thought it was a red, but I'm not really sure because I have no idea what any of these colors are. But let's crack. Bye. I love all these slimes, and I hope you loved watching this video. Bye, guys.